In this tutorial, we will be talking about the structure of alkanes, so we will talk about isomerism. Methane, ethane, and propane, which are the first three alkanes, have no isomers. However, after that, so starting from butane, the number of possible isomers increases with the number of carbons in the alkane. So, as the number of carbon atoms in the chain increases, we will have more isomers. For example, butane C4H10 has two isomers, while pentane C5H12 has three isomers. You can practice naming alkanes by naming these molecules. So this is pentane, the straight chain. One of the isomers of pentane is methylbutane, and the second one is 2,2-dimethylpropane. So these are isomers of pentane. And more specifically, they are chain isomers. So we don't have here any functional groups, so they are not functional isomers, and they are not positional isomers, which means that they are chain isomers because we have branches on the main chain. The number of isomers increases dramatically as the number of carbon atoms in the chain increases. For example, decane, which is C10H22, has 75 isomers, and C30H62 has over 4 billion isomers.